Hello, this video is about installation this roll-up blades that give you a shade for your patio. So this is 7 feet wide and up to 8 feet long, or 84 by 96 inches. So it comes in a package like that and actually sends you a really nice working gloves. Thank you for that. Okay, so do the unpacking first. Installation instructions. Okay, so there is a marking on the parts over here, and looks too similar. Those brackets, one without the holes is 4310, which is this one, and the first step, one of the tubes which doesn't have the plug, so it's the other one is 4314 and 4310. You gotta slide this part from the holy end so it goes like this, and then you run the screws on its side and then it wedges up so it goes in the middle. And that's how it becomes. So basically one side has holes, the other one doesn't. You slide these two pieces, the 10 and 09, this 4309 and 4310. You basically slide it inside over here, screw it, so that way it becomes one piece. Next step, we have to slide the fabric inside this groove. And the fabric has this clear plastic, I don't know what you can call that. At this point, this plastic tube is a little bit too long, so I don't know what's the deal with that. I don't know when you have to cut it. Bottom tubes, which you connect by just line up. Push this pin inside. The hole's not lining up perfect, so you have to apply some force. This extra line, I'm guessing I have to cut. Then slide this plug. Like so. Okay, that's the bottom part. Then you install these plugs. One on each side. And the distance between bracket is like 84 inches exactly. So however you're gonna install it, you're gonna have to figure that part out. So in my case, I have a little bit more space than 84 inches, so I cannot attach to the side. I'm gonna have to go to the ceiling. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna line up, mark it with a pencil, and I will pre-drill, because you never know what kind of material you have over there, so you don't want to strip it, and you go from there. So mark it, pre-drill it, and then try to run screws. This bracket is coming from the factory. It's always going to be, when you mount this piece that swivels or turns, always has to be down. So from the factory it comes with the idea that you're going to be mounting this thing to the wall. In my case, I'm doing it to the top, so I have to rotate this bracket. And to do that, you just slide this cover, take these two screws out, take them out like that, and because I'm gonna have to this thing to the top, it will be mounted like this, and it's because it's mounted like that, you use the same holes on this side. You basically can rotate it either way. You have either way. So in my case, I want it down, so use exactly same holes. Make sure it's tight. So now you can mount it and you can churn this thing from the bottom. When you churn, this thing is also churning. At this point, you line up this side with that mechanism with the pins taken through, and the other side with this pin, you just slide through this guide over here when it's gonna push and gonna lock it in there. Click, just like that. Then you hook up this rod. Last touch. Just like that. So today not is the best time because it's super windy. Almost never is windy in our area. So for the wind, I have another screen over there from the mosquitoes. So in this case, obviously it's the best way to actually roll it up. But in a normal condition, when there's no wind, I mean that's what it's gonna look like. And if you wanna roll it up, unhook, and it just that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching.